To create shorts in Zapier, the first thing is click the Zap button. On the next page, click Trigger, and then search or click Google Drive. For the trigger event, choose New File in Folder, and then on this part, click Sign In or Change button to log into your Google Drive account. Next is click the action, and then search or click YouTube, and then for the action event, choose Upload Video, and then on this part, click Sign In or Change button to log into your YouTube account, and then click Continue. And then just follow the prompt or fill out all the details to continue. And then on the description field, type hashtag shorts for YouTube short. All right, now you know how to create shorts in Zapier, and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.